Cardano price analysis. ADA bounces as trade wars ease, but 30 cents ADA remains likely. ADA. Cardano. Local lows might be in as trade war concerns ease and after the market arguably become overly bearish earlier this week. But it remains far too early to call for a new crypto bull run for these reasons. Last updated, April 10, 2025. Author. Joel Frank. Author. Joel Frank. About author. Since graduating with a degree in economics from the University of Birmingham in 2018, Joel has worked as a financial market/cryptocurrency analyst. He firmly believes that emerging crypto technology. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. April 10, 2025 at 03:52 GMT +3. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. The Cardano ADA price jumped an impressive 13% on Wednesday after U.S. President Trump backed off somewhat from his trade war against the rest of the globe, facilitating a major rally in risk asset markets. Last around 63 cents, the Cardano price is up a stunning 23% from its Monday lows around 50 cents. The U.S. president announced a 90-day pause on the implementation of new tariffs on some countries on Wednesday. However, he increased tariffs on Chinese imports to 125% over the lack of respect that China has shown to the world's markets. With Cardano, other major cryptos and stock markets having become very oversold at lows earlier this week, the market was ripe for a bounce. And Trump backing off from at least some of his tariff threats was just the catalyst traders needed to close out some shorts and for dip buyers to flood back into the market. Could this be the start of a new Cardano price rally back to its December highs in the $1.30 area? Where next for the Cardano price, back to all-time highs? The impressive Wednesday rally has some traders asking if the Cardano price might now have bottomed and a return to late 2024 highs might be on the cards. Well, an easing of trade war concerns and the fact that the market got so bearish and oversold earlier this week suggests that a local low is likely in. A choppy continued recovery could well extend in the coming days, assuming no new trade war escalation headlines rock sentiment once again. Of course, that's no guarantee as the trade war between the US and China continues to heat up even if things are cooling off with other nations. Macro could also throw spanners in the works. Still too hot inflation, which could rise further as tariff effects creep through, and a robust labor market are preventing the Fed from being able to ease to support falling markets and a slower economy. CPI data out later this week could further strengthen the case for the Fed to sit on its hands. With money markets currently pricing 100 BPS of easing by the year's end, per the CME's Fed Watch tool, there is a risk that hot inflation data disappoints the market and risk appetite is hurt. And U.S. Treasury markets continue to send disturbing signals, with the U.S. 10-year yield having jumped 45 BPS from earlier weekly lows to around 4.3% as of early Thursday overnight trade. With U.S. long-dated yields still well above 4%, investors will be disappointed by the lack of downside in U.S. bond yields despite the meaningful correction in U.S. stock markets in recent weeks. All said, it remains a complicated backdrop for risk assets. Investors, retail or institutional, are unlikely to feel confident enough to pile back into cryptos like Cardano anytime soon. Cardano back to 30 cents. Bearish technicals and a lack of any notable Cardano-specific narratives further increase the risk of further price downside in the near future. Cardano has seen a decent bounce from recent weekly lows but remains in an overall downtrend and remains substantially below all of its major moving averages. Meanwhile, all of the hype that Cardano would somehow be one of the major beneficiaries of the arrival of a pro-crypto Trump administration hasn't come to anything yet. Cardano hasn't been selected as the blockchain to run treasury payments on top of. Cardano co-founder Charles Hoskinson didn't make it into Trump's inner circle of crypto advisors. Yet the Cardano price still remains around 2x above its pre-Trump election victory levels. A worsening backdrop in the months ahead coupled with the continued deflation of retail hype suggests the Cardano price could continue to ebb lower back to its mid-2024 range in the $0.20s 40s. One theme to watch: Ripple and Cardano appear to be cooking up some sort of collaboration. It remains to be seen whether this will yield any bullish results for either crypto. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Corporate Bitcoin holdings plunge. Did Trump's tariffs just break the bull market? Picoin price soars 60% before dropping. Is volatility the new normal? Why this AI bot might skyrocket your crypto portfolio in 2025. Price analysis. Solana price holds strong above $112 support. Bullish vibes all around? 5 days ago. By Arslan Butt. Blockchain news. Binance leverage adjustment triggers ACT sell-off. Project dismisses issues. April 3, 2025. By Hassan Shitu. Blockchain news. AI won't replace crypto developers anytime soon, says industry experts. 6 days ago. By Rachel Wolfson. Best crypto to buy now in April 2025. Top crypto to invest in. February 19, 2025. By NSS Tavares. New crypto coins to invest in April 2025. 3 days ago. By NSS Tavares. 9 best crypto pre-sales to invest in now. Upcoming token sales. March 3, 2025. By Meb Keelikutty. 11 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in April 2025. March 3, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. March 3, 2025. By NSS Tavares. Next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2034. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.